change your background in a snap. Woo! That is very easy. With just your cell phone, with your green curtains, and of course, your CapCut application. Hello once again, this is Teacher Jackie, and today I am going to share to you some tips on how you're going to use your green screen and then turn it into magic. I'll show you how. For you to set up, you just have to put green curtains like this. And then you just turn your lights on. Actually, I don't have ring lights and all. As long as you are in a place where there is enough light. So, my fluorescent lamp in this classroom should work. Number one is you make a video with that green curtains at the back. Editing comes after you have recorded your video. The background in a snap. That is very easy. So now you are ready to edit your video using the CapCut application. Tip. If you are going to record your video with a green screen, I am begging you, please do not wear something that is green or something that is blue.
What?
Because it would be very difficult for you to adjust the chrome key. I did that. That was very stupid. So I hope that you have learned something from me. So if you're going to start your video lessons and you don't really have a big budget for that, you can do it with these very simple tricks that I am sharing with you. Once again, this is Teacher Jackie saying bye-bye.